Welcome to our in-depth review of the Skullcandy Crusher Evo wireless over-ear Bluetooth headphones. Let's delve into their features that set them apart from traditional headphones. Feature 1. Sensational Bass. The Skullcandy Crusher Evo is all about the bass. Thanks to its patented adjustable sensory bass technology, you have the power to customize the bass levels according to your preference. Turn it down for a balanced sound or crank it up to feel the music resonate through your entire body. With these headphones, you'll feel like you're front row at a live concert. Feature 2. Long-lasting battery. Say goodbye to constant charging interruptions. The Crusher Evo boasts an impressive 40 hours of battery life, ensuring your music never stops. Whether you're on a long flight, a road trip, or simply using them daily, these headphones have got you covered. It's perfect for those who are always on the go. Feature 3. Personal sound customization. Skullcandy has taken personalization to the next level. Using their companion app, you can tune the audio to suit your unique taste. The built-in equalizer allows you to adjust the sound signature, so every track sounds precisely the way you want it. This level of customization truly set the Crusher Evo apart from its competitors. Feature 4. Seamless wireless technology. No more tangled wires or restrictions. The Crusher Evo utilizes the latest Bluetooth technology, providing you with seamless wireless connectivity. Easily pair it with your smartphone, tablet, or laptop and enjoy your music with freedom. The Bluetooth range is impressive, allowing you to roam around without losing connection. It's pure audio freedom. Feature 5. Noise isolating fit. Immerse yourself in your favorite tunes without any distractions. The Crusher Evo's over-ear design creates a snug fit that not only delivers incredible comfort, but also helps isolate external noises. Whether you're in a bustling coffee shop or on a busy train, these headphones will keep you fully immersed in your music. Now that we've covered the fantastic features, let's talk about the pros that make the Skullcandy Crusher Evo stand out from the crowd. Pro 1. Jaw-dropping bass performance. The bass on these headphones is simply mind-blowing. Feel the deep thumping beats, the rich lows, and the punchy kicks. It's a bass lover's dream come true. Pro 2. Impressive build quality. Skullcandy has crafted these headphones with durability in mind. The high-quality materials used in their construction ensure they can withstand daily wear and tear. Pro 3. Intuitive controls. Controlling your music and calls is a breeze with the Crusher Evo. The buttons are conveniently placed, allowing you to adjust volume, skip tracks, and manage calls with ease. While the Crusher Evo is exceptional, it's essential to address a couple of cons to give you a balanced perspective. Con 1. Bulky design. The over-ear design, while providing excellent noise isolation, might feel a bit bulky for some users, especially during extended listening sessions. Con 2. Premium price tag. Quality comes at a cost. The Skullcandy Crusher Evo is an investment, and while it's worth every penny for audio enthusiasts, it might be on the higher end of the price spectrum for some. If you're interested in getting your hands on the Crusher Evo, we've included the product link in the description below. Like and subscribe to our channel for more exciting tech reviews and product insights.